Hey guys, Dave here from Bold Adventures, bringing you outdoor video content every single week. If that's something that you enjoy, make sure you follow along and don't forget to hit subscribe. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this piece of kit, the Trail Mini Solo Cook Set from MSR. It's a first look video and it's going to show you exactly what's included in the set when you buy it and give you a clear idea of what you're going to get in the box. It costs around £42 to £45 and it's designed for the solo backpacker or traveller because it's ultra lightweight, durable and can fit everything you need right inside the cook set itself. It's worth mentioning though that with this set you don't get any gas, so you will see in the video the gas bottle that I choose to use. It's also from MSR. Keep your eyes out in the bottom corner of the video for all the specs, including weight, dimensions and materials that it's made from. And on that note, let's jump into the video and give you a closer look. Okay, so there we have it, the MSR Trail Solo Mini Cook Set, a first look video. I can't wait to start using this bit of kit. I did have a JetBoil before, but I found that it was just too weighty and it was too heavy, so I've outgrown that and I've gone for an ultralight, more durable bit of kit. It's efficiently designed, it's compact, it's robust, and it also fits everything inside, including the gas canister that you saw in this video. It's going to be much more efficient for what I need it for. So if you're thinking of getting one or know anybody else that is, make sure you share this video with them so that they can see exactly what they're going to get before it comes through the door. Quick question for you, what's your current cooking setup when you go out hiking and backpacking? Let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to take a look at those too. And on that note, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to come along for the ride, make sure you hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.